In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in Go High Level in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, and by following along, you'll have a professional-looking site up and running in no time. Let's get started by opening the web browser of your choice. In the search bar, type Go High Level and hit Enter. You're already on the right path to building your website, as Go High Level offers a comprehensive platform for creating dynamic web pages with ease. Next, you'll want to select the official site, www.gohighlevel.com, from the search results. Once the site loads, you should see a prompt to log in. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password or need to create a new account, make sure to follow the on-screen prompts to get sorted and logged in. Once you're in, navigate over to the left-hand menu bar. Here, you will find a section labeled Sites. Hover over this section and a sub-menu will appear. Click on Websites to proceed. This action will take you to the website management area, where you can see any existing projects or, as in our case, start a brand new one. To create a new site, locate the button labeled Plus New Website. On clicking it, a pop-up will appear offering two choices, From Blank and From Templates. For beginners and even seasoned website creators, templates offer a great head start. They save you time and present you with beautifully designed starting points. So for this example, we'll choose From Templates. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue to move forward. You should now be in the site editor, an exciting place where all the magic happens. Let's add some elements to your website. In the top right corner of the editor, there's an option labeled Add Element. Give it a click, and a menu will appear showcasing various elements you can incorporate into your design. Choose the element you need, whether it's a text box, an image, or a button, and simply click and drag it to the desired location on your page. One crucial step to remember is to optimize your website for mobile users. With most internet browsing happening on mobile devices, ensuring your site looks great on smaller screens is essential for providing a good user experience. Look for mobile-specific view and editing options in the editor to make the necessary adjustments. Before wrapping up, don't forget to click the Preview button. This allows you to see how your site will look to visitors before it goes live. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, the final step is to save your work. You can choose to either save it as a draft or publish it immediately for the world to see. With these steps, you have successfully created a website using Go High Level. It's a quick, efficient, and powerful platform that you can continue to explore and use to grow your online presence. Thank you for watching, and happy website building!